This gorgeous renovated Colonial is situated in the desirable Blackstone neighborhood, feet from popular Hope Street. The long driveway leads to a detached two-car garage and offers plenty of space for parking. Stone steps lined with mature plantings lead up to the beautiful tiled vestibule. Invite family and friends alike into the extensive living room with an inviting wood-burning fireplace. The abutting sunroom is the perfect setting for a quiet moment year-round. Gather around the table for a meal in the delightful dining room. The magnificent marble chef's kitchen enjoys top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances and a large central island. Completing this floor is a convenient half bath next to the rear door leading out to the deck. Sit out under the picturesque pergola and dine al fresco in this tranquil setting. The rear yard's mature plantings offer privacy and natural beauty. On the second floor is a luxurious master suite boasting an amazing ensuite bath with a marble dual-sink vanity and a spa-like shower. Additionally, there are 2 generous bedrooms and a full bath with a glass door shower and soaking tub. The upper level is a sky-lit loft space with a bath and 2 rooms where you can create more bedrooms, a home gym, or home office. The finished lower level has its own half bath and a recreation area or playroom. Hope Street is steps away and provides a lovely walkable neighborhood full of local boutiques and restaurants. The East Side also offers more shopping and dining options along Thayer Street and Wayland Square. Nearby College Hill is home to the campuses of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Walk along the shaded paths of Blackstone Boulevard and visit Blackstone or Lippett Memorial Park. Enjoy easy highway access while minutes away is downtown Providence and its train station and wonderful cultural scene. For more information, please visit the property website or call the Green Sweeney team at area code 401-339-5621 or 401-864-8286.